How to repost someone's video on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to repost someone's video on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your TikTok app and this is where you will get. So I'll show you how to repost a video. It's really easy. On TikTok, we can now repost the videos we like, and it is shown on our profile. So any TikTok video that you like. So first of all, I'm going to find a video to repost. Let's maybe go with this one right here. So in order to repost, you will get the option right here. We have a like option, comment, save, and then we have share. You will click on share and then you can see I have the option of report, we have do it, we have recommended and others. So it also depends if the user has enabled the option of repost. So you will get the option right here. Okay, I don't think for this video it's on. I'm gonna find another video and check if it's on or not. So we have this video right here, and on TikTok now we have the recommend option, which is similar to repost. So you can go with this option. The icon is actually very similar to the one they had for repost, and for some reason the repost option is not showing. Instead, we have a recommend option with the new update. So you will click on recommend and repost. So what will happen is that this video will be reposted by you, it will be recommended by you. So this is the option available for now on TikTok, and this is how we can recommend videos to other users. Similarly, if you get the repost option, you will click on this share option and then you can find the repost right here. The icon is actually similar to the one right here, recommend. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.